My name is Shara-Lee Parsley. I am 27 years old. I'm also the owner and founder of Rebirth Health and Wellness, a wellness business focused on feminine care and natural skin care. Feminine care reason being because I wanted to provide a space and place for women to feel completely comfortable and unapologetic about being women and experiencing things as women. I started Rebirth in 2019, before the pandemic, when things were a little bit more smoother. The business was created on the ideology of fitness rather than wellness when it started. When it came to funding though, that part was a little bit up and down because I didn't take a loan, I didn't have help from mommy or daddy. It was strictly off of what I earned during work and travel, and it kind of built itself up from there. All our products are 100% natural. They're all organic, no chemicals or parabens or preservatives, and they're all made by women for women. Some are made locally in Jamaica, and we're also retailers for a women-led brand in America called Lulu Holistics. We are the St. Catherine retailers, and they're also a very well-founded brand that focuses on women's health. Two of our best-selling products, and both that I believe should be in your bathroom, your bags, I don't care where you go as women, you should have it on you. The first one is our Yoni Refresh Wash. It's made 100% natural with aloe vera, coconut extracts, and peppermint, meaning it balances your pH levels, it gets rid of odor, helps to moisturize the vagina, and keeps you fresh. It's also made locally in Jamaica by women, and I cannot stress that enough. So if you're uncertain about the product, bear in mind that it is made by someone just like you. And then we have our Boric capsules, which are made from a 100% boric acid extract. What this does is that I think a lot of women experience yeast infections and bacterial vaginosis, which is something very natural, very often happens in the vagina. We also tend to go to the doctor a lot for something that doesn't really get resolved. And what this does is it does what it says it does. It does the job. It's not something you need to take every day. It's not something that you need to live on. Once you have those things occurring with you, whether yeast infection, BV, or just for general vaginal and sexual health, this is what you need to have in your bag, your bathroom, your friend's house, your mother's house, I don't care, you need to have it there. And then our new favorite, which was just released, is our Turmeric and Tea Tree Oil Shea Butter Soap. This is one of my quick favorites, reason being because we all have issues with our skin, and sometimes we need things that are more sensitive and less harsh, which is the basic great benefit of having natural products. This particular product does not have in any detergent or any lye, which means that it doesn't have the components that dries out, breaks the skin, or causes the skin to strip. It's made with 100% raw ivory shea butter that retains the moisture in your skin, while the tea tree is antibacterial, inflammatory, so that gets rid of the acne. And the turmeric, of course, everyone knows the popularity of turmeric these days. That helps to control and lighten the dark spots that may come after you have gotten acne or may have been left after getting acne. So this is a bestseller. It's very gentle on the skin, used on a daily basis. You can wash your face with it, and you can also bathe with it. So our next product, one of my favorites, is our Restart and Refocus Slimming Tea. Bear in mind the name, Restart and Refocus. What this tea does is that it detoxes the body, meaning it detoxes the organs in the body, which is that restart and refocus aspect of it. Because sometimes you tend to feel a bit sluggish or a bit tired, and that simply means that you just need your system to be flush. It's really as simple as that. The slimming aspect of it is that it helps to reduce water weight that can be retained by the organs in your body. So it's nothing complicated. You simply add a tea bag, add water to it, and drink it just like you'll drink any other tea. The only thing or only take back is that you don't add any sugar. So you let it cool and you just throw it back, and then you enjoy the process that comes after. You will take this for about 5 days straight to give your body a complete detox. And like all our products, it is also completely herbal and natural based. For Rebirth, I want to build a place and space and community both locally and internationally for women. I do hope to one day expand into other areas such as for men and families, but right now I want to create a community that women are comfortable being themselves, being happy about being themselves and not feeling bad for things that naturally occur with us as women. My vision for Rebirth Health and Wellness is to spread that idea as far as it can possibly go, to know that things are changing, times are changing, and us as women are powerful in our own rights.